Digital marketing. Today we are going to discuss about digital marketing new methods. Digital marketing is the use of digital channels and technologies to promote and sell products or services. It has become an integral part of modern marketing strategies, as more and more people use the internet and social media to find information and make purchasing decisions. In this article, we will explore some of the new methods that are being used in digital marketing today. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. One of the most exciting developments in digital marketing is the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning. These technologies allow marketers to analyze large amounts of data and make predictions about consumer behavior. For example, AI can be used to personalize the customer experience by showing personalized content and recommendations based on a person's past behavior and interests. Machine learning can be used to optimize ad campaigns by predicting which ads will be most effective for a particular audience. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing is a type of digital marketing where brands partner with individuals who have a large following on social media or other platforms. These influencers promote the brand to their followers, often through sponsored posts or product reviews. Influencer marketing can be an effective way to reach a large audience and build brand awareness, as long as the influencer is authentic and their followers trust their recommendations. Video marketing. Video marketing has become increasingly popular in recent years, as more and more people watch videos online. There are several ways that brands can use video marketing, such as creating promotional videos, live streaming events, or creating educational content. Video marketing can be an effective way to engage with customers and build brand awareness, as it allows brands to showcase their products or services in a visual and interactive way. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is the use of social media platforms to promote and sell products or services. This can include creating and sharing content, running ads, and engaging with customers on social media. Social media marketing can be an effective way to reach a large and targeted audience, as it allows brands to connect with customers where they are already spending their time online. Content marketing. Content marketing is the creation and distribution of valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience. The goal of content marketing is to build trust and authority with the target audience, which can lead to increased sales and customer loyalty. Content marketing can take many forms, such as blog posts, infographics, podcasts, and ebooks. Email marketing. Email marketing is the use of email to promote and sell products or services. This can include sending newsletters, promotional emails, and targeted messages to a list of subscribers. Email marketing can be an effective way to reach a large audience and build relationships with customers, as it allows brands to communicate directly with individuals who have opted in to receive emails from them. Search engine optimization, S.E.O. Search engine optimization, S.E.O. is the process of improving the visibility of a website in search engine results pages, SERPs. This is done by optimizing the website's content and structure to make it more attractive to search engines, which can increase the chances of the website ranking higher in the SERPs. SEO is an important part of digital marketing, as it can drive traffic to a website and improve the chances of converting visitors into customers. Pay-per-click, P.P.C, advertising. Pay-per-click, P.P.C, advertising is a form of digital advertising where advertisers pay each time a user clicks on one of their ads. This is typically done through platforms such as Google AdWords or Bing Ads. PPC advertising can be an effective way to drive traffic to a website and generate leads or sales, as it allows